Hi, I'm Heather Quick, owner of Florida Women's Law Group. And today I want to talk to you about 3 things you must do to ensure that your holiday time sharing goes well this year. The first thing that I want you to do, and again, like usual, it's difficult, communicate, communicate, communicate. You got to talk to your ex about the plans. One, the plans that maybe you are intending for the holiday and or what your parenting plan says, but talk about it ahead of time. Certainly don't assume that one, he's read it recently or that he's considered what your plans may be. So the second thing that I would advise you to do is keep a record, like a journal, but something. If you were one of my clients, you would know we always ask you to email or text with your ex, because that creates this great trail of how the communication has gone. And that helps you later to both use for evidence if necessary, but to refer back, because we don't always communicate verbally and leave that conversation thinking the same thing happened. So if you did talk on the telephone, follow up with an email, follow up with a text like, hey, remember we decided we're going to switch on the 24th. I'm going to pick up at 3 instead of 6. Thanks so much. That's it. It doesn't have to be elaborate, but it really is going to serve you well in the future. The third thing I want you to do, or at least consider, is to be flexible. And I know it's hard. I do. I know you want to do what you want to do. And that's why you're divorced, so that you don't have to, ask your ex-husband anymore. But let's say he's asking you for a little leeway or you want that. He's going to ask for something in return. And you know that's true. And, I always, just like if you're one of my clients, I advise you, take the high road. It'll come back later. It's hard, I know, especially if you're still harboring difficult feelings, and the holidays sometimes bring that up for sure. But if you can just be a little flexible, it can go a long way. I know the holidays are stressful. We all have good stress, bad stress, but regardless, it's tough. I understand. I know having these conversations with your ex are difficult, but you can do it and we can help you. At Florida Women's Law Group, that's what we do. We help women get through these tough times so that you can be stronger on the other side. So give us a call and let us help you manage this during the holidays.